Orleans has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Mississippi Sound, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ship Island, Mississippi Sound, Horn Island, and Pascagoula. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A marine weather statement.
First special marine warning. Look at that.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Mississippi Sound until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Pascagoula, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. This hazardous weather outlook is proportional.
Just when I said that they were going to issue another special marine warning, they did it.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandelier.
A third special marine warning.
Mississippi Sound until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Pass Christian, moving southwest at 10
Oh
knots.
crap, it's for Pass Christian as well.
Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar.
What?
Impact.
Daddy,
Wind gusts
again?
in excess of 34
Stop!
knots
Stop
and suddenly
screaming.
waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
Stop!
Return to safe harbor if possible.
Bossina.
The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
You had a what?
Here is